So hi everybody, today's our question. So it is construction, most important. Construct a triangle of sides 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 4 by 3 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. So first of all, the given measurements are 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeters. So let us name as AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, CA equal to 7 centimeter. So you have to draw a triangle which is similar to the given triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 of first triangle. Okay, so first of all you have to draw a rough sketch by using the given measurements. This is the rough sketch. Rough sketch. Let us name A, B and C. So it is 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, CA equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Now draw a ray. Let us call as X, which makes acute angle with AB. Okay, so this is AX making acute angle with AB. Now make four equidistant points, A1, A2, A3, A4. These are A1 equal to A1 A2 equal to A2 E3 equal to A3 A4. Now join A3 to B. Join A3 to B. Here, why you are joining A3 to B? Denominator is 3. That's why you have to join A3 to B. If it is, suppose if it is 2 by 3, you have to join denominator to B. So that is 3 to B. If it is 3 by 5, you have to join 5 to this. Suppose if it is 3 by 4, you have to join fourth point to B. Okay, whatever the fraction, so you have to join B to denominator number. Okay, here denominator number is 3. That's why you have to join A3 to B. Okay, so now join extend AB, then draw parallel line A3B through A4. It meets AB at B1. Again extend AC through B1. Draw parallel line to BC. Let us call as this is C and it is C1. Okay, now this A, B1, C1 is the required triangle. Let us start the original diagram. AB equal to 5 centimeters. Here AB equal to 5 centimeters. This is A, B. So here AC equal to 7 centimeter. So take 7 centimeter by using compass, taking 7 centimeter. So A as center with radius 7 centimeter. Draw an arc. Okay. Now BC equal to 6 centimeter. Take 6 centimeters by using compass. So B as center with radius 6 centimeter. Draw an arc. Which called previous arc? Let us name as C. Join A to C. And B to C. Okay. Now draw AX, which makes acute angle with AB. Now mark points A1, A2, A3, A4, which are A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 equal to A3, A4. So by using compass with some radius, mark 4 points which are equidistant. 2, 3, 4. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 equal to A3, A4. Now join A3 to B. So what we have in denominator, that number we have to join to B. Now extend AB. I am extending AB. Okay, it's enough. Now draw a parallel line to A3B through A4. Okay, to that at A3 with some convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay, with same radius at A4 you have to draw an arc. Now measure the distance between these two points, these intersecting points. The same distance you have to mark a point like this. Okay, now join A4 to that point. Joining A4 to this point and extend. It meets AB at B1. Now again through B1 draw parallel line to BC with the same process, with some convenient radius from B, with some convenient radius draw an arc. The same radius at B1 you have to draw a arc. Measure this distance. This is the distance between these two points. From this point with the same radius draw a mark. Okay, so the same radius, so mark a point. Extend AC. Okay, now join B1 to this point and extend from this point through this. Okay, now this is C1. Okay, AB1 C1 is the required triangle which sides are 4 by 3 of sides of A, B, C. Okay. Listen once again. So the given measurements, draw ABC, draw AX, which makes acute angle with AB. So mark A1, A2, A3, A4, which are A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 equal to A3, A4. Now join A3 to B. Join A3 to B and extend AB to some points. Now you have to draw a parallel line to A3, B through A4 and extend AC through B1. Draw parallel line to BC, which meets AC at C1. Now A, B, C and A, B1, C1 are similar triangles, and the sides of A, B1, C1 is 4 by 3 of triangle ABC. Thank you. To get more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So to get more videos as notifications, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.